Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys have a great time in the Lunar New Year. 今日係農曆初七. Today is the 7th day of the Lunar calendar. Let us continue to explore some important traditions of the Hong Kong's Lunar New Year and the Cantonese words and phrases that goes along with them. Before the Lunar New Year arrives, people do 大掃除, meaning big cleaning or spring cleaning. This is done to sweep away bad luck and make space for new blessings in the coming year. The big cleanup usually takes place on the 28th day of the last lunar month, which we call it in the lunar calendar 年廿八. In ancient times, the term 過年, meaning passing the year, had a much deeper and more dramatic origin. According to the legend, Nin was a fearsome monster that roamed the land during winter, terrorizing villages. As spring approached, people discovered ways to drive the creature away using the color red and the loud sounds of the firecrackers. In some cases, they would leave food outside their homes to appease him. Once the monster was successfully warded off, it became essential to welcome the new season with positive energy and good fortune. To ensure a smooth flow of luck into their homes, families would carry out a thorough cleaning ritual known as the big cleanup, 大掃除. For example, we can say, 我哋要喺過年前做大掃除，將啲衰運掃走。我哋要喺過年前做大掃除，將啲衰運掃走。We have to do a big cleanup before the new year to sweep away bad luck. Let's break down this sentence. 我哋 is we, the subject pronoun. You is need to, a verb indicate necessity or requirement. 喺 means at or in or on. It is a preposition indicating time or place. 過年前 is before the Lunar New Year. 做 means do or perform. It is a verb. 大掃除 is the big cleanup. 將 is used to introduce the object being affected by the action. If you speak Mandarin, it is similar to 把. In Mandarin, 啲 means some, 衰運 is bad luck, 掃走 means swept away. However, after the new year starts, sweeping the floor is considered bad luck because it symbolizes sweeping away good fortune. For example, 年初一唔可以掃地，會掃走好運。年初一唔可以掃地，會掃走好運。You can't sweep the floor on the first day of the new year, or you will sweep away your good luck. 年初一 is the first day of the Lunar New Year. 唔可以 is cannot or should not, the negative form of can. We can use 唔可以 for prohibitive statements. We have just learned the word 掃走, while 掃地 means sweep the floor. 會 means will, a verb indicating a future consequences. 好運 is good luck, opposite to what we just learned. 衰運 bad luck. One of the most exciting traditions, especially for children, is receiving red packets, 利是, filled with lucky money. We can say 小朋友最鍾意收利是。小朋友最鍾意收利是。Kids love receiving red packets the most. 小朋友 means kids. It is the subject here in the sentence. 最 means most, like the superlative adverb in English. 鍾意 is a verb. It means like. You can use 最 plus verb to show preference or the highest degree of an action. 收 is also a verb meaning received. Married couples traditionally give red packets to younger family members, unmarried relatives, and sometimes even colleagues and service workers. If you receive red packet, you can respond in thank you and say one or two greetings. For instance, 多謝你嘅利是，祝你身體健康，心想事成。多謝你嘅利是，祝你身體健康，心想事成。Thank you for your red packet. I wish you good health and all your wishes come true. If you would like to know more about the greetings, feel free to check out my last video. During Lunar New Year, it is common to visit family and friends to give them good wishes, known as 拜年. 拜年. When visiting someone's home, you can always say a few greetings to them. For instance, 恭喜發財，年年有餘。恭喜發財，年年有餘。Wish you prosperity and may you have abundance year after year. After visiting, guests often bring New Year treats like sweet puddings or tangerines. They are called 賀年食品。賀年食品。Food plays a huge role in Lunar New Year celebrations. Some popular dishes include, the first one is 年糕。年糕. We call it New Year cake. It symbolizes rising success every year. The second one is 蘿蔔糕。蘿蔔糕. Turnip cake. This is my personal favorite. The third one is 魚。魚. Fish. It symbolizes abundance, like the saying 年年有餘, which the word 魚, abundance, is a homophone of 魚, fish. The last one is 桔. 桔, tangerine. The word 桔 is again a homophone of 桔, which means luck. Therefore, it is believed to bring good luck and fortune. Lastly, we're going to talk about taboos and superstitions. There are certain things you should not do during Lunar New Year. For example, 唔好講衰嘢。唔好講衰嘢。Don't say bad things. Nobody wants to hear words with negative meanings during the Lunar New Year period. Avoid saying words related to death, sickness, poverty, ghost, and etc. Another one is 唔可以喊。唔可以喊. You should not cry. Crying is a harbinger of misfortune and must be prevented if at all possible. Also, you cannot wash your hair. 唔可以洗頭。唔可以洗頭。This superstition sounds very weird, but it is because of the pronunciation of hair, 發, which is the homophone of 發財嘅發, to become wealthy. Therefore, it is seen as not a good thing to wish one's fortune away at the beginning of the new year. These actions are believed to wash away good luck for the new year. That's the end of the class. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Cantonese learning videos. Wishing you all again 農曆新年快樂，恭喜發財，身體健康，繼續努力學廣東話。See you all next time，下次見，拜拜。